Hi there everyone! Today's video is all about the latest bottle cap challenge. The latest viral challenge that everyone is trying to do. Now what is this bottle cap challenge? In which the aim is to kick the lid off of your bottle. Using a circular martial arts kick. It's a reverse kick. With your feet you'll try to move the lid off of the bottle. If you succeed in doing it, then you have won the challenge. If you don't succeed in doing it, then you have failed. Even the fail results are very funny these days, and you are seeing very funny videos going on internet. Mostly it's recorded in slow motion so that you can see the lid turning off. Many people succeed in it and many people fail. Not alone is this a very trending topic now, but this is also a very nice game which you can use to pass your time if you're on a holiday, or a game which you can play with your friends to have some fun. Till now, you all must be knowing what this bottle cap challenge is and how it has taken over social media, and it is trending, gone viral all over. But we are going to take this bottle cap challenge to the next level, and we are going to make it a game. In this video, I'm going to show you how we will make a game out of this bottle cap challenge. To make things a bit different from everyone else, I'm going to make a DIY in which I'll be decorating the bottle cap, and you can use this wherever you will be going. It's made very easily within a few minutes. It's a lot of fun. First thing that we are going to take is a white balloon and a balloon pump. Next we'll inflate this balloon until it's a round shape, and then we'll close it off. For our next step, we have a piece of black paper. We need 2 strips like these. Then we are going to take our black strip paper and we are going to fold it in half. You can take any paper. I have taken gift paper here. If you want, you can use any other paper as well. We'll fold it in half once. We will fold it in half again. This is twice. And one more time, for the third time, we'll fold it in half again. Next, you are going to cut on one side to make sure that the paper is equal, like this, on the bottom side. Then we are going to cut the corner straight. On the upper side of this paper, we are going to make a triangular type cut. So I'm going to cut one triangle from this side, and I'm going to cut one triangle from the other side. And I'll cut on this side as well once again to make sure that our cut is straight and our paper is straight. After we have done this with double-sided tape, we will put double-sided tape all around this. Now we have our balloon here. We'll take one piece that we made here and we'll just paste it somewhere on our balloon. It doesn't matter where, just paste it somewhere. And like this, we are going to paste all our other pieces on different places. After putting the black pieces of paper all around the balloon, next we are going to take a piece of hard paper, cardboard paper, hard one, and we are going to take our bottle cap, the lid, and we are going to place it on this. And with pencil, we'll make a circle around the cap, so we have the same size circle as our cap is. Next we are going to cut out the circle. And with the help of something pointed, it can be, I have used a compass here. If you want, you can use needle or pen, sharp pencil or anything. We will poke it in the middle and make a hole there, a small hole, so that our balloon can fit inside. We'll keep on poking it till our hole is big enough. We won't be needing more. Now for our next step, we'll take our balloon, the bottom area that we have here, and we'll push this inside this hole. And make sure that this entirely comes for this side. Now we will place 4 pieces of double-sided tape on this circle. And we are going to put this base on our bottle cap here that we have here. We'll put this base on it. We'll paste it on it. If you want, you can take hot glue and you can do it as well. press it good so it's closed good, because your ball will be needing lots of kicking, so it has to be good and secured. Then we'll take double-sided tape, 2 pieces, and we'll put it half on the bottle cap lid and half far above. Remove the cover and paste it like this. Next we'll take a strip of white paper and we'll place this on top of this, like this, around the lid. We'll fold it for above. Next we are going to take a large piece of tape, simple tape, and we are going to put it on this paper around the lid. We are going to take 2 pieces tape extra and we'll place it here just to make sure that our paper is really securely fitted on it. We'll do it here on the 2 corners. Next we are going to cut 1 more circle, and then till the middle we'll make a cut. And we are going to cut in the middle of small circle again, like this. You can say you have a donut, but then it's cut so on one side. Now we have secured the balloon like this, but now it's this section that you are seeing here. We want to bring that lower. So how we'll do it, we'll set this, we'll open up our donut shaped circle, and we'll make sure like this that it's like this. And we are going to secure this with tape. Again we'll place it in half and we'll push it for the upper side like this. For extra safety again, we are going to put tape like this to secure it on its place. We'll be doing so on all the 4 corners. Now we are going to place this on our bottle. This is our DIY. Now we are going to test it and see how it looks on camera. Because the bottle cap challenge is in slow motion, and because I want to show you the beauty of this DIY, I'll also record it on slow motion so you can see how it looks. Now let me know in the comment section below how you did like this DIY. Also let me know if you did take part in this bottle cap challenge and if you have succeeded or if you have failed. Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and do check out my other videos for more amazing DIYs.